Ever feel like someone's got a vice grip clamped right at the base of your skull?
Ah,
Yeah,
yeah.
those are occipital headaches.
Right.
Our target today,
Mm.
we're taking your source material on acupressure and seeing if traditional Chinese medicine has a different take on these all too common pains.
And it absolutely does. While Western medicine might zoom in on muscles or nerves, TCM goes bigger picture. It's all about energy flow, or qi, moving through pathways called meridians.
Right, those meridians.
Yeah.
The source mentions them getting out of whack.
Uh-huh.
It specifically calls out wind invasions and imbalances in something called the gallbladder and bladder meridians.
Okay.
Sounds intense, but also kind of vague.
Let's demystify it.
Uh,
Imagine your body is like a network of rivers, those rivers being the meridians.
Okay.
Occipital headaches. TCM sees that as a sign. Those rivers are blocked up right where your head meets your neck.
Okay, so picture a log jam, but in your energy flow.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Right.
But then the source gets really specific.
Right.
Talking about these acupressure points.
Mm-hmm.
And this is where it gets kind of wild for me.
Okay.
Like, we've got SI3, also known as Hooksy, on the hand.
Yeah.
How does pushing on my hand help my head?
It's all about those meridians. They're like the body's superhighways connecting seemingly unrelated areas.
Okay.
Stimulating SI3 on your hand actually sends a signal along that meridian, influencing the chi flow all the way up to your head and neck.
Wow.
Think of it like remote controlling your energy.
Oh, my mind is a little blown right now.
Yeah.
So SI3, it's more than just headaches then, right?
You're catching on. Think neck pain, stiff neck, anything where that base of the skull tension is the culprit.
Right.
SI3 is like that multi-tool you keep handy for all sorts of fixes.
Noted.
Okay.
Okay, next up in our acupressure lineup, we've got GB20, a.k.a. Feng Shi.
Right.
This time, it IS on the head.
Yeah.
At the base of the skull.
Okay.
Makes sense geographically.
Yeah.
But what's the TCM take on this one?
This is a big one in TCM.
Okay.
GB20 is all about releasing what they call wind, which can be external factors like that draft that seems to give you an instant headache,
Right.
or internal imbalances that mess with the smooth flow of qi.
So pushing on GB20 is like clearing out that energy traffic jam.
Exactly. And just like SI3, GB20 pulls double duty,
Okay.
helping with neck pain and stiffness.
Right.
And this is where the TCM interconnectedness comes in, often go hand in hand with those occipital headaches.
Now we're talking. Okay, moving down the body, GB38, or Yang Fu.
Right.
This one's above the ankle on the leg.
Okay.
Tell me more about this pressure point.
GB38. This one's fascinating.
Okay.
Not only does it target headaches,
Uh-huh.
specifically those temple and, you guessed it, occipital ones,
Yeah.
but it also tackles what TCM calls liver fire.
Liver fire.
Yeah.
Does that mean I need to call the fire department? Because that sounds serious.
Not quite.
Yeah.
Think of it as a metaphor.
Okay.
See, in TCM, the liver is all about the smooth flow of qi.
Okay.
Get stressed, frustrated, angry, that's liver fire flaring up. It's like your energy flow hits a wall and starts overheating.
So GB38 is like hitting the pressure relief valve on all that built up stress.
You got it. By stimulating this point, we can potentially help calm that liver fire, get that qi flowing smoothly again, and boom, headache relief.
Okay.
Speaking of which, the source mentions combining acupressure with another type of treatment for optimal results. Tendinomuscular treatment.
Tendinomuscular treatment.
Yeah.
Sounds intense, but also kind of intriguing.
Right.
What is that exactly? And how does it tie into acupressure? And how does it tie into acupressure?
Well, remember how TCM sees those headaches as a sign of blocked energy flow?
Yeah.
Tendinomuscular treatment aims to release tension and improve qi circulation in those often tight muscles and tendons,
Okay.
particularly in the neck and shoulders.
So it's like giving those muscles a tune-up to help get that energy flowing smoothly again.
Exactly. By combining it with acupressure's targeted stimulation, you're essentially tackling those headaches from multiple angles,
Cool.
optimizing your chances of relief.
A 1-2 punch for pain relief.
Right.
I like it. This has been incredibly insightful.
Yeah.
But I have to admit, it's a lot to take in.
Right.
Where does someone even begin?
You're absolutely right.
Yeah.
It's a lot to process, and this deep dive is just a starting point.
Right.
The key takeaway is that TCM offers a unique perspective on healing.
Yeah.
And practices like acupressure require consistent practice to truly experience the benefits.
So it's like learning a new language.
Mhm.
It takes time and dedication.
Precisely. And just like learning any new language,
Right.
it's always a good idea to seek guidance from an expert.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
If you're dealing with chronic or severe headaches,
Yeah.
consulting a qualified healthcare professional, including a TCM practitioner,
Hmm.
is crucial for personalized guidance and treatment.
I couldn't agree more.
Right.
This deep dive has given you a taste of what's possible. But personalized advice is essential for your unique situation.
Well said. As we wrap up our deep dive into the world of acupressure and those pesky occipital headaches,
Right.
I want to leave you with this.
Okay.
We've talked a lot about stress being a major trigger.
Yeah.
So what's one small thing you can do today to de-stress? Maybe a quick walk, a few minutes of meditation,
Right.
or even just taking a few deep breaths?
Mm-hmm.
Think about it, and until next time, happy knowledge seeking.